Number 3. Alright, let's take a break from staring at squares and give this pentagon a try. How many triangles does it have? Take your time, this one's tough. You've got 10 more seconds. And the answer is, drumroll please, 35 triangles in a variety of sizes.
Hello kids, welcome to this logical math tutorial. Today we're gonna have so much fun because it's time to play. The purpose of this class is to solve additions and solve subtractions without regrouping. But today we're gonna use the mental calculation. It means that we're going to use only our brain to count, no manipulatives. Okay? So let's practice. To start, we have to click on this link. Now we are in the block, so we look for logical math. In here, we're going to find two games. The first one, the jet ski addition, and the second one, the superhero subtraction. So let's click in the first one and click in the image again. Now we are here. We are going to compete in a jet ski addition game. So we start playing here. You write your name, in my case Joanna. Continue. I can compete with some other people that are here at the same time, but I want to start just the first time in a private race. Only me solving. When I have more practice, I can compete with other people. But now, let's start private. And play now. So this is Joanna. I can change the color. I like purple. So we have here the operation, and we saw that 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 3, 6. 11 plus 1, 12. They are winning. I'm very slow. I have to go faster. So the first practice is slow, but then you can go faster and faster, okay? So don't worry. What? I missed it just because I was talking. Okay, so guys, you continue with this practice and you're gonna get trained to practice in real life with the jet ski. So 10 plus 5, 15. Oh, we are finished. Okay, let's see what I'm in the third place. I just missed one question and I have here what was it, so I can correct. And I have another opportunity to play to be in the first spot. So this is the first one. You can practice as many times as you want to win the race. The second exercise, we come back to the block. In the second exercise, we are going to find something related to subtractions. So we click on the mask, the superhero mask, and now we are in this game. So we have 3 levels, level 1, level 2, and level 3. We have 8 superhero masks that we have to look for in the wall. So let's start with an example. Just let's click in the first level. Now we have here the operation. So I have to count and then I press what is the answer. So 16 minus 8 equals. Woohoo! I found a mask. So we have to find 8 masks. So 18 minus 4. Wow, I have 2 masks. Now let's see, 7 minus 3. Woo! Now I have a star. 4 minus 2. Woohoo! 9 minus 6. And we continue until we find the 8 masks that are hidden over here in this wall. So that's the practice for today, guys. We're going to practice some subtractions and we're going to practice some addition, and it's going to be very fun. So guys, in this class we don't need any evidences. Just practice, enjoy, and have fun. Thank you for the class and see you the next time.